as I promised in my last video, I will tell you why I was wearing this big boot. So actually, it's not a big boot. It's just a plaster. So this happened when I was going on bike few days ago and I hit by a car. But don't worry, it's not a major fracture. It's just a mini hairline fracture. I got this shoe. Oh, and almost forgot about these guys. These are my clutches to help me to support. I walk with them. So, do you know which doctor fixes our bones? But I know that. What about you? It's an orthopedic. Have you ever faced a situation that you go to the hospital and don't know what doctor to talk to? So don't be confused now because I'm going to tell you in this video types of doctor vocabulary. And if you're also liking my English Confusing Words series, do make sure to like and subscribe on my channel. If you have not seen those series, you can find the link up right in the card and down in the description box. Now let's see types of doctor vocabulary. So, doctors play a very important role in our life, especially in these corona times. They have done so much for us, as we have all seen. So today, it's very important to know what are the types of doctors. So in this video, we are going to see what is the type of doctor, what they do, and the body part. So our first doctor is nephrologist. They treat kidney diseases and as well as high blood pressure. So the nephrologists, the doctors, they treat our kidney diseases and high blood pressure. So the body part is kidney. It's really not a body part, but it's an interior organ. But we can count it as a body part right now. And blood. Blood flows through our whole body and it's really important. If something happens in our blood, it won't be good for us, will it be? So as you can see, they treat kidneys. Our next doctor is cardiologist. They are experts on hearts and blood vessels. So the body part is heart. This is also not really a body part. It's just an interior organ like kidney. So as you see, this is a doctor which is cardiologist and is holding a heart. Next doctor is neurologist. They are specialists in nervous system. So what comes in our nervous system? Brain, spinal cord and nerve. So they are specialists in all these things. Next is dermatologist. They are good with hair, skin and nails because we need to keep our hair, skin and nails all healthy. Next is hematologist. These are specialists in diseases of blood. Means they are inside the body. This is what they work with, blood. Next is pathologist. These lab doctors identify the cause of diseases by examining body tissues and fluid under microscopes. So the body part not applicable. It's not a specific body part. So as we know, these doctors are normally in labs and they examine our body tissues and the fluid under microscope. So as in India, you must have seen Dr. Lal Patholabs. So that's a lab and the people there take your test, take to the lab and research on it. Next is pediatrician. They care for children from birth to young adulthood. No specific body part. So it's not a specific body part because they care about small children to a young adulthood. So that's what they care about. They can see any body part of them. It's not specific. So these doctors, orthopedics, they work with our bones. Body part is bone. It's not the body part which we can see from outside, but it's inside our hands, legs, and every part of our body. Bones are very important for us. Next is psychiatrist. These doctors work with people mental, emotion, or addictive disorders. These doctors work with our emotion. It's not a body part, but I've just put here so we know. So this is what they work with, are emotion or addictive disorders. Next we have general surgeon. These doctors can operate all parts of your body. So what they do is surgery, they can operate any part of your body. So here, instead of putting surgery, we can also put any part of our body. Surgery. Thank you. I hope you learned something new in this video, and now you know more about doctor, so you can communicate with them much easier and happily. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and now you know which doctor to go to. Besides my English series, you can also check my math series. In that, we are doing knowing our numbers right now. So, if you're liking all my work I'm doing, make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video so